tail? No?
Is it like, is it her different? Is it like...
Who are you, Steven? What's he say? Cowabunga, dude!
What's he say?
Cowabunga.
Cowabunga.
Daddy, thank you.
Can you wiggle your nose like a bunny? Katie? Can you wiggle your nose like a bunny?
Bunny. Hey, Dad.
Aaron, what are you? Are you a dragon? Wow.
Oh, cool.
A cupcake-eating dragon. That's pretty special. Are you a good witch or a bad witch?
Bad witch.
You know, how do bad witches go?
There's little bunny.
How do they laugh?
Come on, Charlie. Yeah, ninja fighting team. Which one are you?
I'm a vampire.
Oh, I don't believe it. Show me. Oh, great. I'm convinced. You're a vampire. Do it again. Oh, I think I'll stay home tonight. Liable to bite my throat. Here, Katie. Do a bunny rabbit?
Tristan, do you want to use my...
She got black in there. Okay.
How does he do? What does he fight a lot or what?
Yeah.
How's he go? Let's see. Yeah, I know what he says. What's he do? You don't know? Don't you watch Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? Well, show me what he does. Oh, all right. There we go. I think that's pretty good.
Got a couple of balloons, Tim. You could do.
Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay.
Yeah. Sit down, Mom. Mom, be
They come back in a little bit.
Hey, Bobby, did we get our
We want to trick or treat first.
Go inside.
Wait a minute. Just go trick or treat, Grandma. Down the hall. Gotta knock on the door. Right there. Knock. Oh my goodness. Is that your grandma? Come in here. Let's see how I can find. Oh, you got pretty red cheeks. It's apple cider.
How you make it?
Well, I don't know. It comes in a pack. Here. Now you can make some apple cider. Was it from any down here? A few.
Gee.
The property tax is going up.
Well, that here.
What an awful vampire.
I don't ever see clothes please in their things so tight that
I did touch the number.
might be that. This one doesn't have little numbers to tell. This one. Okay. Go on in.
And we're going to number 1, right?
Yeah. Hi, fun.
Are we going to number 1?
Yes. Dad? Looks like that's somebody's seat. I don't know who said I don't know. Okay, now we'll go turn. Okay, I'm here. I just thought I'd come down a little while.
Trick or treat?
See some of them move on.
Isn't this ideal weather?
Hi, turn around this way. Okay. And turn around you. Okay. So tell Grandma bye. Gotta tell Grandma bye. Go give
Bye,
Grandma
Grandma. Bye, Grandma. Have a nice Halloween, Grandma.
Bye.
Have a nice
Bye.
Halloween.
Relax. Y'all say trick or treat. You got to say trick or treat.
Trick or treats with a broken balloon. Would you like to step in or won't your mama let you?
Sure, go ahead. Hurry, honey. Roll.
You want one of these?
I got it.
You want one?
You're Frank.
Here, should I put one of these in front so you can see what it is?
Who's Lori?
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
No questions, Kenny. You have no questions.
No, too close.
Too close?
Sit down, Kenny.
There, now wait a minute.
No
This
questions.
is what it's all about.
But you got it upside down.
Oh, this is what it's all about.
Yeah, right there. Cavities, that's what it's
That's
all
what
about.
it is. This is for the dentist.
Halloween for 1990.